Hello and welcome guys, hope you are doing well. In this video we are going to learn about how to fetch data in the checkout screen. Let me show you where we will be working on this video. Let me click on one of the event, suppose this one, and suppose I want to join this event, right? Then I will click on join. So this data will be populated in the today and upcoming video we will be working on Stripe checkout and then we will be working on PayPal, etc. So now let's get started. First of all, I'm going to look for the event page view because this page basically represents the event detail, and upon join button I have to go to the next screen, right? Where it is, let me search it out. Yeah, this join button. So if I click on this join button, basically I'm sending event data object to the checkout screen. Yeah, so here we just have to populate the information. As we have already get those information in this screen and stored in a variable, so I'm just using these particular variables. So first of all, let's do it for the image on the checkout page. Okay, or here I'm going to paste this screen is containing few basic functions that are used particularly in the front end. So I hope you guys know this stuff. Okay, uh, I'm going to create init state, and inside init state I'm going to paste the code that I have copied. Now let's make this question this variable outside the function, so this will be accessible throughout the class. And then I'm going to call widget dot event data dot get, and we have to get the image of the event data. But the problem is I have copied the wrong code. Let's copy the correct one. Comments, saved users. I think this code is required in the checkout screen. Yeah, event image. We have to deal with this variable. Sorry for the waste of time. Actually, it's not waste of time, but these are small mistakes. Okay, and then widget dot event data, widget dot event doc. I just changed the name, and then we are getting media list, and we are getting single event image from the media list. That's it. Now let's move toward the image that we have used over here. I think this is the image that we have. No, it's a circle image. Check out. Yoga weekend. Yeah, this one. So basically we have to convert this to the network image. Event. Yeah, it is showing null because we have code in the init state, so we have to go back in order to uh, in order these changes can get effect. Now let's click on it again and join button, so you guys can see image has been loaded successfully. Now let's do same for the title and the remaining stuff. Every information is here, we just have to copy and paste. Tags collectively, I think it is not. Yeah, tags is not required. Number of likes, comments is not required. The only thing that has been required is title, location, and event, etc. Now let's do it right over here. Widget.eventDoc.get title. Okay, sorry, a field does not exist, so maybe the key that I have written is not exist. Let's check. Okay. Okay, it's not key, it's event name. I have typed the title, that caused an error. Yeah, and then the date. Let's leave it for now, and then we have to change the location. Widget dot event dog dot get location, and yeah, location has been loaded. And this information is not required because we don't have such information in the Firestore. We have just started and ended, so I think we have to show this date instead of all this information. As you guys already know that how to get information, so that's why I'm not going in complexity. Okay, basically we have done with getting the information. Now let's calculate the price as well. Event fee, event fee. So yeah, we have to get this from the Firebase as well. Widget dot event dot get, and what is the fee field? It's I think price. Yeah, price. Yeah, event fee is $1 and ticket total ticket. So I think it's not required. We just have to remove it because it's just design in the UI. Yeah, so event ticket, and then we have a little bit of the service fee. So one plus two, $2 is the service fee of the app. So we are going to do one step with that. Let me copy the same thing and paste it over here. Beside this price, I have to add two more. So basically, this two is the service price, and it is saying that string of other and is not a subtype of type string. Okay, so basically we are storing price here as a string. So before adding the two with the string, I have to convert it to the integer. For that I have to call int dot parse and then this stuff. Yeah, it was. So $1 is the event fee and $2 is the service fee. So it's basically total ticket is $3. So yeah guys, that's it for this video. Hope you guys have learned few things from this, especially in case of how to get information from the document. This video is already a kind of redundant data, as we have already get data from document itself. So now let's make the new video very enjoying.